Hey guys, come back. So today we're gonna be playing Guess the Animal. Now if you guys don't know how to play this game you just have to guess the animal with their body parts. So right now there's like something, you have to guess it in 7 seconds, guys. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Did you guess it? Let's see the answer. And it was an elephant. If you got that right, comment down below and let's move on to the next one. Now guess what is this? I'm gonna give you 7 seconds. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now it is a zebra! Congratulations with who is the one with the correct answer. Ooh, just a little bit hard. A little bit. Now guess what it is? 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's see the answer. A cat. Did you guys get it right? Oh, what is this? This a little cute eyes, ears, and nose. Okay. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's see the answer. Wow. It's a dog. Ooh. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Guess what it is? It was a horse. Did you guys get it right? Maybe, maybe not. This one is probably the hardest one. You guys will probably think this is a butt, but guess what it is? 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's see. Oh, sorry. It was a hippopotamus, guys. I'm pretty sure this is the last one. Nope. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. This one's probably the way easiest one. A lion. Now you guys saw the answer. Did you guys saw the answer? Comment down below. Okay. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. What is it? You guys probably know because you guys saw the answer. It's a pig. Ooh, you might think it's a rock, but it's not. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now guys, if you are scared of any wild animals like this one, just brace yourself. A snake. Well, that's the end of the Guess the Animal. Comment down below how many you got, so I don't really know how much is there. Let me just. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 9, guys. So comment down below how much you got for like 9. If you got all correct, please give yourself a clap. And yeah. And make sure to comment down below your score. Be honest, guys. But I hope you guys win this game or something. I don't know. But yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.